Okay, so I have no idea if this idea is going to work or not. But what we have is we have a bar that we are going to burn the Kansas City Chiefs logo on the front of it. And I've never done this before, never seen it done before. So I'm just going to try something that I think will work. So what I've done here is I've printed out a template on my regular size printer, cut it all up, taped it all together. Taped it down to my plywood. This is going to be my stencil. I'm going to burn that arrowhead outline. So I started with tape on the outside, and you can see I drew along the inside with my pencil. Now I put tape on the inside because I'm going to take the tape on the outside off and trace all around the outside. And then I'm going to cut that out, and that's going to become my stencil for the main arrowhead logo. So we're going to give this a shot here. Let me get it cut out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I think this is workable. The nice thing about the arrowhead logo, it's irregular, so if it's not perfect, it's going to be okay. So now I'll go ahead and cut this out, and what I'm cutting out is this middle part here. I'm leaving the rest. Okay, so I'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, so this is our main logo here, and now we're going to go ahead. Now this, I just decided to do this on a whim. That's going to be template 1. This is going to be template 2. So now I'm going to cut the inner outline. Okay, you'll see why and how we're going to do this here in just a second. But so now I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the smaller arrowhead there. So here's the idea. Okay, so that we now have the smaller one cut out. And so what we're going to do is we're going to attach these two templates to our bar with a couple of staples, and then this open area should accept the flame from the torch and allow us to torch that logo. Okay, so we're going to see how this works. We'll get it attached to the bar and get it all centered up, and then we'll go from there. So you can see our template did seem to work. Now we're going to pull that template up. I just held it on with a few staples. Now we're going to pull the template up and take a look at the logo. Well, in the end, it's not too bad. I think if I had to do over again, I would have, on the KC here, I decided to give that, just cut it out of plywood, burn the plywood, and just stick it on. And I think I would have liked to have done that to the outline too now. But it looks good. We're moving on.